my belly. Ooh, Lord, girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me. But when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before.
So guys,
Once I did a little bit of shopping.
and yeah, I'm heading home.
Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mind and being light to be ignited. Can you open up the doors to let me in? Can you open up the doors to let me in? You good with the heart inside, on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth with no faults. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no pain. This is a place with no shame. If you thought I'd be distracted, baby boy, I'm gonna distract you now. If you couldn't be reminded, baby girl, I'm gonna remind you now. Tell me what you need to find out. 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 It's been burning on my mind now. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man step. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad vibes. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, bloody somebody talk. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, find jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movement. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray till you regain your faith. Like killer, love is somebody that protect my energy from your hard aura. Let my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that side. No, don't think you my vibe. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out there, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm feeling. Right now from the side now, come on in. Calm down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Come look at the kind of killer. This your love will get me from my
Cut the second, put it in the oven. Third, put it places. Third one, coming first. Already done. Done. Bye.
Don't keep going, procrastinating. I'm in the matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like gold, yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, that yo. I'm only doing cash out, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep up at it, cause I don't do the side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gon' do anything. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like gold, yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit the front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got the best with her, take her back to the mile. I've been up on it wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. My hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all years old. Shawty know to drop it low like the tempo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Always felt like my vision been bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam, I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you suck right now. Oh,